I had a massive MI in 1998, and the cardiologist I was seeing then, as I was recovering, he came to me at one point and said, "You know, you're done. You can never work again. Any career you had is over." He said, "Basically, you're a cardiac cripple."
The doctors here at Abbott said, "You have coronary artery disease. There's really nothing more than we can do for you except for research." And then Dr. Henry's research here with the coronary artery disease, which has started quite a few years ago, and he got me into the Optimist Club and said, "You know, there's light at the end of the tunnel, and it's not a train. We can make you feel better."
I've been involved in 7 studies, from EECP to various drug studies and to some invasive studies, including the injection of stem cells into my heart, where they removed bone marrow from my hip and brought that down to the stem cell level, and then immediately went back up into the heart and injected those stem cells into areas of my heart that the muscle was dead.
Participating in Dr. Henry's Optimist Club gave me the hope that I can live with coronary disease. They can make me better. I can grasp at a straw, and a straw can turn into a rope that'll get you out of a hole.
When I first met him, he was just sure he could help me, and that alone gave me such inner peace, knowing that, okay, here's someone who really cares and is going to help.
The research coordinators at Minneapolis Heart Institute are absolutely fantastic. Their follow-up is great. They spend a lot of time with us explaining exactly what's going to happen, what the outcomes may or may not be. The follow-up, the phone calls later, the follow-up months later is absolutely great. And you really feel, not like a patient, but I feel like I'm part of the Minneapolis Heart Institute. I think my quality of life has improved significantly as a result of the procedures and the clinical trials that I've been through. And a lot of it is physical, the changes that have happened to me. A lot of it is psychological, the way I've been cared for, the way I've been talked to and told what's going on. I don't feel like I'm lost. I don't feel like somebody's given up on me. They used to refer to me and patients like me as no options patients. Well, we're not no options patients anymore. Now we're optimist patients. Now we have a positive outlook on what's happening.
I really don't know where I would be today if I didn't have the Minneapolis Heart Institute, and I can't express enough how important it is.